All right, what's going on, everybody? Our dinner for the night. What you making, honey?
You used to see oxtail, right?
Uh-huh.
This is pigtail.
Yeah, but what?
We're gonna make some soup
Okay.
to eat with kaput,
Okay.
your wife's style.
All right. Well, so you're gonna boil them, right?
I gotta boil it first.
Okay. All right. Next, you're gonna
Saute garlic.
garlic and onion, right? Red onion.
Which one? Scallion,
Well,
red, small,
I call it red onion.
and then
I don't give a damn. Tomatoes, all right. A little bit of salt in the soup. So you're gonna saute that to become liquid. What is
just to grill it a little bit to soften it to get the flavor.
Okay. All right. Next, what you gonna prepare for the shrimp?
I'm gonna ground it up.
Ground it up. All right. Oh, you ground up the shrimp.
Mix it with ground up pork.
Mixed with the ground pork. Alright, Jello.
Supposed to be mixing to make it red meat with the crab paste, but I don't have it, so we're gonna do without it. We're gonna do whatever I have in the kitchen.
Alright.
Put some chicken bouillon, black pepper, salt.
It look like how they make meatballs.
Yeah, almost like that.
Okay. Looking good. So you're doing the seasoning with chicken, what they call it, that yellow
Bouillon.
thing? Huh?
Chicken bouillon.
Chicken bouillon. Bouillon. I don't even know how to pronounce it.
Canal.
Canal, how we say it, canal. What is that? Black pepper.
And a little tap of MSG.
Yeah, we gotta have MSG. Why are you rinsing out the water?
Gotta clean it out. After you boil, the blood around it.
And re-boil
Boil it.
Okay.
Clean it so that way your broth will be clean.
No greasy, no oily, fresh.
I don't know if I could now.
That is what now, honey? Crab soup base. And that's what's gonna go in the pot.
You gonna read it?
I don't know how to read Vietnamese. Whatever it is, it's gonna be good. You gotta keep on mixing this or what?
Yeah.
It looks like lop jello.
It does.
Well,
You should try that.
No.
Raw. Raw shrimp.
I'm still curious about this pronunciation thing.
Bon Rieu.
Oh, it ain't Bon Boreal.
No, it's Cico
Huh?
Boreal. Boreal. Bon is soup. Okay, you're gonna.
Cobombo.
Funny.
Hey, I'm not trying to be funny to y'all language, okay? We all eat the same food. So you dump the tomatoes in there
See that?
from that pan that we cooked earlier. All right, you doing the season? Is this the final season? Oh, did I say season? Seasoning. I'm sorry.
Season, yeah, it's the final season.
Bombo Ray. You're not putting the whole thing, right?
I don't think so. I'm gonna have to taste it.
Okay. Looking good already, guys. Oh my God, I can't wait. My stomach is growling right now. It's Bun Rieu. Let me taste it. This Bun Rieu. Ooh, it's good.
Another seasoning. Yeah.
Yeah, one more spoon.
Okay.
Is this what they sell at the restaurant?
Yes, something like that, but they're better.
We learning. Oh, you learning how? So
I'm doing half-ass.
it's not half-ass. It's looking good already.
I'm cooking half-ass. I don't have the whole ingredient. I just cook whatever we got in the kitchen.
Well, it's good. It's looking good already. Yeah, it's got the fish ball, tofu. What else you got in there?
Yeah, tofu and fish ball.
Okay. Woo! This is the one that she mixed up. Jello. Does it need to be ball?
No. It's just like this. It's like long way.
Okay.
I think.
Well, whatever it is, it's gonna be good.
Oh, I just take a doy.
Well, say whatever you feel like it. Shit, fuck, asshole. But it's gonna turn out good.
How do you know? This is my first time making this.
Well, I already tasted.
You never ate this before, have you? Ever?
I think I did. Well, we're gonna experience together. How about that? I said, just gotta squeeze a lime in the water. So we'll soak in that banana flour. It won't turn purple, right? Black or purple, whatever it is. It'll stay fresh. And you use that lime mixed with water. That's gonna go with the soup we're gonna eat. We got bean sprout, some, I don't even know what they call in English. Do you know, honey?
What? It got the name on the thing?
On
the package?
Let me see. These right here, we call it pak khao tong. And my wife said, that's the name, khao tong. And we got Chinese bitter melon, one of my favorite.
You don't eat that.
Gotta use cabbage. Ooh, look at the pot. It's puffing up, blowing up.
Leave it low, put it on low heat, please.
Okay. Wow.
You taste it?
I'm gonna taste it right now. Perfect. Oh my God, it's good. Noodles seems to be ready. Right there. Gotta rinse it out now. Noodles ready. Let me taste it because I don't want to have stomach bubbling. Sometimes it looks like it's cooked, but it's not. Yep, ready. All right, the moment we've been waiting for. Look at this, guys. My lovely wife is decorating the bowl for me. I just got done washing dishes. That's what my job was. Looking good. Can't wait to eat it. Well, there you have it, guys. That's our dinner for the night. Some shrimp paste, chilies. Okay. First bite. That was just the soup. Oh my God, it's good. I gotta get the pepper ready. Right there. First bite.
On point.
Yep, on point.
Not too bad for a first time.
Nope. I got no complaint.
Better not complain. Pretty good.
That's the shrimp.
And pork.
Pork shrimp.
Ground pork.
There's some tofu.
I don't know if Vietnamese people eat feet with it or not.
They do. Like us. Kind of hot. But it's good. Let's check out this pigtail. We always eat oxtail, but never tried pigtail. It tastes like beef.
Really?
Yeah.
So it's compatible?
Yep.
Because you know how them oxtails are. They're expensive.
Well, it's good.
Ooh, that pepper. Tastes so good with pepper though.
It's good. I probably ain't gonna have another bowl. Yeah.
Then you won't be able to go to night-night.
I need some more veggie.
The veggie just perfect balance out.
Yeah.
You want some more pepper, honey?
Yeah.
Green, red?
Don't mind.
I don't mind. You should try with some bamboo. you know. What would you rate?
11. It ain't no 10-10. 11.
Okay.
It's good. And it's not even a complete item, right?
Mm-hmm. I'm missing out the dry shrimp. Put in the soup. And I don't have the orange crab paste for my, actually they use real crab, the crab meat instead of shrimp, but I don't have crab meat.
Bean sprout. I don't know how many I ate. Can't even count. Can't keep up. Because it's so good.
Whew.
Well, all right, guys. We're going to enjoy our meal. Thanks for watching. Peace.